Okay, you guys, so again, thank y'all so much. I know that probably was like a little long. Again, timestamps will be down in the description box below. If not, and this is part 2, I don't know which is which, so I'm just making an introduction for both. Listen, editing is not for the weak. All right, so let's count. So we have 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $292 is what we will be cash stuffing today. All right, so first up is my wallet. And I definitely need to get blue, but not today. To cash stuff him. To feed him, I mean. I thought I muted my phone. So gas is going to get $35, and I actually need to put gas in my car because I literally worked remote all last week. So I didn't have a reason to gas up, so that's why we have so much. So gas is going to get a 20, a 10, and a 5, so minus 35. So gas now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. Spending has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to take these ones out. And spending is going to get a 20. So minus 20. And spending now has $25. Eating out has $10. And eating out is going to get 35. So minus 35. So a 20, a 10, and a 5. Y'all, I did not clean this money. So eating out now has 20, 30, 40, 45. Did not clean this money. So you already know a shower is going to be needed after this video. All right, so coffee is going to get 20. And it's going to get 2 10s. Coffee doesn't have anything. I actually went over in coffee because I worked remote. And Starbucks is literally like right down the street from my house. So your girl went to Starbucks. Yeah, I did. Like a lot. All right, so grocery has $20 and grocery is going to get 25. So minus 25. So 20 and 5. So grocery now has 20, 40, 45. Medicine is not getting anything. Giving is going to get $5. If you're new to my channel, if I have money left over in my giving in buffer or any ones, so if I have money left over in giving and buffer, I take that out and I add it to my $5 savings. And then in my other cash envelopes, if there are any ones, I take them out in certain categories and I add those to my $1 saving challenge. That is just what works for me and what I do. So it's a personal preference. So giving now has $5 again. And then buffer, I don't know how much we have left over in buffer. So buffer has 5, 6, 7, 8. And buffer is going to get 10. So minus 10. And it's going to get a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and this is just, I'm just gonna move this here. It's gonna go into our dollar saving challenges. And deposit, I actually need to run this through the laminator again. But it's not getting anything. This is literally like just in case. It's my ID. This is literally like just in case I have to like swipe my debit card for anything and these categories don't have enough. I just swipe my card and then I just take the money from these categories and I add it to deposit back into the bank. So that is it for my wallet. And next we have my sinking funds. So we have $142 left. Beauty is going to get $20, so minus 20. So beauty now has 20, 30, 40. Birthday isn't getting anything, so this actually needs to come out. So I definitely spent some money. So we're just gonna add that to, oh, I need to finish up my build a funds challenge. So that's what we're gonna add that to. But I'm actually doing that off camera. So yeah, y'all won't be seeing that today. Birthday for friends and family is not getting anything. This actually needs to come out because I want to start these over again in 2025. So birthday for friends and family. Birthday and birthday for friends and family. I want to start these challenges fresh in 2025. So we're just emptying it, and that's all the birthdays for this year. And my family and friends. So birthday for friends and family has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, which is great. A debt snowball is going to get $50. So minus 50. And let me stop the camera really quickly. Debt snowball is going to get 50. So debt snowball now has 50, 70, 90. Car maintenance is going to get $20, so minus 20. So car maintenance now has 20, 30, 40, 50. Emergency savings is going to get 300. So 300 is in the pink. Why is there 10 in here? I want to just put here by mistake because I know like my mom took some money out. Either way, emergency saving now has $600. If you saw my budget with me, then you guys know that I'm not cash stuffing that. I'm just going to transfer the money. And these cash placeholders should be available in my shop if you guys are interested. If not, bear with your girl. So I'm just going to add that 10 back because I really don't remember what that is for. All right, so emergency savings now has 500, 600, and apparently 610. So that's that. Travel is not getting anything. Alasia is not getting anything. My mom, yes, so she took money out finally. So she's gonna get 20. Clothes is not getting anything. Moving out isn't getting anything. Business is going to get 10, so minus 10. So business now has 10, 15, 16. And I actually had to renew my mailbox, so which is why business has $16. And miscellaneous is not getting anything. And that is it for my sinking funds. All right, so next we will be doing my saving challenges. And like I said, y'all, some changes will be coming to my video. I'm going to give the box challenges a little breaky break. I'm still going to do certain ones, but just not as hard as I've been going. So we need to actually take these out. So my dollar savings, let's actually do roll the dice. No, let's do that last. So for my dollar savings, I've actually completed this challenge about, I can't remember it, like a lot of times. So my dollar savings, I'm sorry, y'all, I'm all over the place. We need to do the roll the dice first because that's what we budget for. That is what we budgeted for. And I believe we rolled $13. So we need to add 13. So let me find my sticky note. Okay, so we rolled a 3, a 7, and a 3. So $13. Ooh, my neck. All right, so we have a 3, another 3. Then we have 6. Let's do 6 and 1. And I'll make that pretty off camera. So I think I did it for, I think I budgeted $14. I saw it somewhere else, but it's actually only 13. So we have an extra $1, so that's gonna go into our dollar savings. So 10, 11, 12, 13. And we're just going to stuff that in there. I'm actually gonna color it off camera, so I'm just gonna put that like that so we can come back to it. So minus 13. And then the $9, we need to deduct $1 because that's gonna go into our $1 savings. And then we had $8, and that's gonna go into our $2 savings. So minus 8, so wait, so 2, 4, 6, 8. Y'all, we completed it. Where's my bell? Where is my bell? I don't know where my, ding, 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 ding. We completed a challenge. Yay. I am so excited to unstuff this at the end of the year. Or the end of this month. Yay, y'all. My goal was to complete this. We completed our 2. Look at all these 2s. Look at all these 2s, y'all. I didn't think it was possible. I really didn't think that I was gonna finish this $2 savings. I really thought like, I'm like, dang, I'm gonna take this in 2025. But we did it. We did it. All right, so that is it for my $2 savings. And my ones, y'all, I done completed these ones about like 30, 50, 11 times. So we'll go to minus 8. So we have a $0 balance. All right, so let's go ahead and do our $5. All right, so in our ones, we're adding 1, 2. We have a star note. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was like, oh, I didn't see any star notes this time around, but I actually need to go ahead and do 8. So $8. It's gonna go into our ones. Let me stop the camera. Yeah, so $8 is what we'll be coloring in. I think I completed this challenge about like maybe 5 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is our $1 savings. And that's our $2, which I am so happy that we were able to complete. And then our $5 savings. I don't think we're gonna finish this one, but if so, that's okay. We're adding $2. So 1, 2. So at least we finished a row. At least we finished a row. And I actually still need to get a star note savings challenge so I can do my star notes, but we'll worry about that in 2025. So that's that. And y'all, I actually need to condense this because this is getting pretty thick. It's getting pretty. Oh, we gotta do the roll the dice for our next cash stuffing, which will be the last cash stuffing for 2024. That is insane. Okay, so for the roll the dice, this is my frosted. I'm really loving like the frosted dice. So I might switch that, but I don't know yet for when people order the roll the dice challenge. But if I'm being honest, I kind of want to do it. I kind of want to design this over. Yeah, but we'll see. We'll see. If so, y'all already know. It can't be done right away. So if you're interested, this should be available on my Etsy. If not, again, bear with your girl. So let's roll the dice to see how many times we're gonna roll. 6. Yes. Yes. I was hoping we got a big number. All right. Yeah, whatever. All right, so we're rolling 6 times. So we have 1, 4, 6, 1 again, 5, and 1 again. So all together for next time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, we will be adding $18 to our roll the dice challenge. So now that is it, y'all. That is it for today's video. I don't know why I keep closing this and I have to remember. And my mom actually just bought me more Happy Mail. So I'll actually do that Happy Mail in another video. Because yeah, this video is way too long. So yeah, so that is it, y'all. That is it for today's video. Oh, and this needs to go into, yeah, I'm actually doing the Build a Fund Savings Challenge by GB. So that is what this money will go to, and it is in this binder. So yeah, so I actually made my own version of it. It was before I actually bought the challenge. I haven't done it in a while. And my goal is to complete this challenge by December 31st as well. I have the money, I just haven't like been tracking it. So yeah, so I made my version of it. It was before I actually purchased it because the Build a Fund I actually gave away in a video. I mean, in my 500 subscriber giveaway. So yeah, so that's that. So if once I show this at the end of the year, if it's different from the original Build a Fund, then that's why. But definitely we will be doing that savings challenge next year as well for 2025. So again, y'all, thank you as always. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell because consistency. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.